In this video, I will demonstrate how the desktop automation driver can efficiently export information from a document into a SQL table. I have already created a workflow that pulls the key information from an invoice and sends this data to the configured SQL table. Because of this, I am able to process an invoice with the click of a button. We can now see that the data from the document text has been added to my SQL table. I have also configured a monitoring directory, which will allow me to quickly process many documents at once by simply pasting them into the monitored folder. This method is very efficient, as 99 files take merely a couple of minutes to finish processing. Once all of the files have been processed by the workflow, we can see in the SQL table that a row of data has been populated with the important information from each processed file. Note that the file attachment can be stored in the SQL output as a link to the folder containing the attachment or as binary data. Alternatively, the file attachment does not have to be included in the SQL output. In conclusion, the desktop automation driver SQL workflow type allows users to quickly and efficiently export data from input documents into a consolidated SQL table, making this product extremely valuable for data transfer, storage, and analysis.